Hello farmers, welcome to another episode of bestfarmingtips.com. Today we are talking about best farming tips, ideas and advice for new farmers. This is a farming channel where I provide free farming tips and tricks to all farmers across the world. While my main area of specialty and focus is on backyard chicken farming, poultry disease control and prevention, how to raise ducks, greenhouse farming, horticulture, rabbit farming, livestock rearing, and organic farming. However, I am not only limited to that. As long as it is farming related, I will eventually cover it. I have a special advice for new farmers. If you are a beginning farmer, then this small piece of advice is for you. Farming is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a lot of commitment and research. Be willing to experiment, to research, to interact with other farmers, even online, through various farming websites and forum boards. Sharing ideas and reading PDF books has helped me so much. I owe my knowledge to a lot of authors who have written books about farming. Another piece of advice to new farmers is that you should try by all means to venture into both livestock rearing and horticulture. Those two complement each other. Livestock needs garden produce to survive, and garden plants need animal manure to thrive. Your ducks, backyard chickens, and other poultry who love to eat weeds and old vegetable leaves from your garden, while your tomatoes, strawberries, onions, and potatoes will grow faster and healthy if you boost them with chicken manure or duck manure or even rabbit droppings. So it is an excellent idea to raise domestic animals even for personal consumption or for fun, so as to get organic manure for your horticulture or garden project. Another advice for beginning farmers: it is much easier to make more money through diversified farming or integrated farming. If your primary farming business is going to be selling chickens, then use the chicken manure to fertilize a vegetable garden and start selling vegetables too. You will harvest more when you use chicken manure. If your objective is to sell eggs and so you are raising layer chickens, go a step further and use chicken manure to grow cabbages or even beans. And the fresh cabbages or beans or whatever you may choose to do with the byproducts of your other farming venture will help you formulate raw materials for the other farming activities. In short, this will help you lower your costs as well as increase your streams of income. The Best Farming Tips channel will help you enjoy your agriculture profession or gardening hobby. My motive is to help you learn which chicken breeds are the best for meat, for eggs, or for both. Which ducks best suit your environment, and what do you need to raise them? How to grow potatoes. Tomatoes, vegetables, cabbages, onions, strawberries, or many other crops and plants organically without applying any fertilizer. Animal manure from your chicken coop, duck house, or rabbit cages is all you need to grow your own food at home. Once in a while, disaster strikes. Diseases may hit your crops and livestock. Best Farming Tips is there to help you prevent that as well as mitigate it should the disease wreak havoc. Farming is fun and exciting when agricultural knowledge, farming tips, and tricks are at your disposal. If you have any topic that you want me to address, feel free to email me on farming@bestfarmingtips.com or visit my website on www.bestfarmingtips.com or simply tell me through the comment section below. Even if you have any farming related questions, kindly get in touch with me via email, my website, or use YouTube comment section at the bottom of this video. I strive to respond to all comments within the shortest possible time. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Best Farming Tips, so that whenever I publish a new video, which I often do on a weekly basis, you get notified. Lastly, please kindly support my channel, Best Farming Tips, by making a PayPal donation of any amount. Send your PayPal donations to farming@bestfarmingtips.com. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Goodbye.